Hello fellas, it's me again. Well, with winter looming in and the temperature dropping, well, I still want to sit outside my conservatory even though it is raining today. As usual in the UK, cloudy, dark, raining, miserable, blah blah blah. But anyway, well, the electric heater behind on the wall warms the place up, but chomps through the electricity. But got hold of one of these old paraffin heaters, which is kerosene for some people, off a mate, and it's very nice indeed. Let's have a closer look. It's a Aladdinique convector heater number A2600, manufactured in accordance with BS 3300 Part 1 1960, made by Aladdin Industries Limited in Greenford, England. You've got the fuel tank at the bottom, followed by the burner assembly, the chimney and the outlet at the top. It's a pretty much standard convective design. You get the heat from the chimney getting expelled out, but also cool air is drawn in from the bottom, heated up by the chimney, and then that's also expelled out the top. So quite an efficient design. Let's have a look at the burner assembly. What is a shame is the mica window is delaminated, what it looks like, but it still works. You can still see through it. Just twist it off. You've got the burner assembly. This comes off for cleaning. The wick obviously goes up and down. The whole thing lifts off the tank. You can see the bottom of the wick in there. Let's light that candle. Focus better. I'd better pretend the lights off. I should be able to find a replacement mica window for these. Stops spitting when it's warmed up a bit. Can feel the heat already. I could stare in there and watch that all day. Can already feel plenty of heat coming out the top. More efficient with the cover on, of course. Flame is still visible, of course. Nice logo. Thanks for watching.